The markets are looking to Thursday's Monetary Policy Committee interest rate decision. Well, in the last meeting, 3 members of the committee called for an immediate hike to rates amid high inflation. But price rises, they fell back in June, lowering expectations for the MPC that it would raise rates in August. So we actually don't know what's going to happen. We will be waiting to see how many of these MPC members want to hike. James Bevan of CCLA is here with me now. Hello to you.
Hello, good morning.
So what are we expecting then for this Super Thursday day?
Well, the market is certainly discounting no shift in policy, so it would be a major surprise if there was a hike. If there is a hike, then people who have sold short, the short end of the gilt market will be making money. People who have been backing the pound will make money. Those are the contrarian trades of the moment.
Mm-hmm. And we always look at who's voting for a hike and who's not, don't we?
Yeah, we do. But I do think that when all is said and done, the drivers for a hike are simply not there. It is fallacious to say that hiking will lead to a rationing of credit, because of course the rates that people borrow at are nowhere connected to the official rate, which is after all only 25 basis points.
Mm-hmm. In terms of data releases, it's very confusing to know where the British economy is right now. They conflict every other day. Are we resilient to the Brexit or not?
We're definitely not resilient to the Brexit issue. If you were to say what is going on, I would say there has been a high dependency on the consumer borrowing money, and that obviously is unsustainable. We still have a very material productivity problem. So from my perspective, we need to see companies investing more money in order to be able to create more wealth in due course. At the moment, we don't have that coming through. Companies are distributing the cash back to investors rather than investing in plant machinery and new capacity.
Mm-hmm. And for all of those sterling watchers, what can we expect?
Well, for the moment, I think that the euro is strong rather than sterling is weak, so that there's a different angle on the pair. I think, however, the dollar is likely to be relatively weak against the pound, and I say that because Mr. Trump, in wanting to have faster growth, clearly needs to have a weaker dollar to become more competitive, and the dollar is expensive. And that obviously, in purchasing power terms, means that it should be heading lower.
Okay, well, it's still expensive now, you're saying?
Oh, absolutely it is.
Okay. Finally, in conclusion, what should Mark Carney do? What's the right thing to do?
I think the right thing to do is to say that he will raise rates when it is necessary, but that is not now.
Which is what he's saying, essentially?
Absolutely.
All right.
I'd be very surprised if there's a change in that.
Okay. James Bevan from
Thank you.
CCLA, thank you very much indeed. Super Thursday, here we come.